Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete an OnlyFans account. So if you want to delete an OnlyFans account, just go ahead and log into your account. Then basically click on your profile icon at the top right and select settings. Scroll down to the account management section. Look for the option to delete account. Click on it and follow on-screen instructions to confirm that deletion. Make sure to read any warnings or information about data loss before finalizing the deletion. If you encounter issues, you may need to contact OnlyFans support for assistance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.